under special products. Now we are going to discuss about the identity number 2, that is a plus b whole square as a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We are going to prove it geometrically and as well as algebraically. The latter will perform 2 examples under this. So here the identity number 2. So here the identity number 2 is of a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we are going to prove it first of all by means of algebraical method. The proof starts now. So in our proof, left hand side quantity is of a plus b whole square, that is a plus b whole square is the left hand side quantity. Then that implies we know x into x is equals to bases equal and the product in between, that is product law must be applied here. So here the exponents are of 1 and 1. So here that is equals to x to the power of, add up the exponents, a power m into a power n equals to a power m plus n, that is 1 plus 1 is of 2. So we are utilizing that x into x is of x square. So here also x square is in the form, so x square in the form of x square, here it is a plus b whole square, then it can be splitted as x into x. So here similarly a plus b whole square can be splitted as a plus b into a plus b. Then that implies, so here we got this step based upon the reason x into x equals to x square. Then now, so I want to multiply first of all with this a the entire bracket, that is a plus b. So a into entire bracket a plus b, that is the second term, must be multiplied with the entire bracket once again, that is a plus b. That implies, then now a with a, then later I say a with b, b with a, and as well as b with b must be multiplied. So a into a is of a square plus a into b is of ab plus b into a is of ba, or in other words ab. Then now plus of plus is plus b into b is of b square. That implies a square, ab's coefficient is of 1 and ba or ab both gives the same meaning, its coefficient is also of 1 and 1. So here plus of, because these two are like terms, we can add up these two. 1 plus 1, that is plus into plus is plus, we have to add up the coefficients. 1 plus 1 is of 2, ab's are there, but both are of same signs and of same coefficients, so we can write the same sign as plus 2ab. Then the last term, that is plus b square, must be copied as it is. So in this manner, so I got, therefore, so which is nothing but equal to, so here a square plus 2ab plus b square is nothing but the right hand side, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here we took LHS, then we reached the RHS. So in this manner, so here LHS is equals to RHS, hence, or therefore, or in other words, so here a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in this manner we have proved the second identity, that is a plus b whole square as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the algebraically we have proved. Then now we are going to prove it geometrically. Then now the geometrical proof. So in our geometrical proof of a plus b whole square as a square plus 2ab a plus b whole square as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So first of all, let us consider one square, that is ABCD. So in our figure, I want to consider a square. So this is a square in which all sides are equal, which is given by means of A, B, C and D. So in this manner we have considered a square. Let us consider a square ABCD in which side AB, so here side AB is of A plus B, and similarly side AD is also of A plus B. But to represent the units, I mean A and as well as B separately, so first of all we have to divide, so this AD and BC by means of EF. So this is EF. EF is dividing AD and as well as BC. And similarly, so here AB and DC are also dividing by means of one more line, that is GH. Both are intersecting at the point called I. Now here, since AB is of length A plus B, so I want to assume A to H as A units and H to B, that is HB as B units. So overall the length of AB, A to B will be of A plus B, that is AH plus HB, that is A plus B. Similarly, so here AD's length is of A plus B. So here I am going to assume DE as A units and EAE or EA as B units. So overall the entire length of this A to D, AD as A plus B, that is AE plus ED or A plus B or B plus A, both use the same meaning. So the length of AD is of A plus B units. The latter, since this is a square, then the opposite sides will be of equal, all the sides will be equal in this case. So here AD is just opposite to, so here BC, so here AE is of B, then automatically HI will be of B units. Then similarly, since it is opposite to BF, so here BF also will be of B units. So here ED length will be equals to GI length equals to A, and similarly CF is also of A, because all these three are what I say opposite to each other. Since AH is of A units, then now opposite I say EI also will be of A units, and similarly DG also will be of A units. HB is of B units and IF also will be of B units, and GC also will be of B units. Then now, so here in the figure EIGD, all the sides are equal in measure, that is ED length is of A and the adjacent is also of A, that means all the sides are equal in this figure. So this figure is nothing but called the square. Since it is a square, so area of the square is equals to side into side, that is equals to side is of A, and here A into A will give us the A square as the area of the first figure, that is A square. So here this is figure number 1, whereas in the figure number 2, so here IF CG is the figure number 2, in which adjacent sides are IG and GC, they are A and B. So measure of GI is of A units and measure of GC is of B units, but they are unequal, therefore it is a rectangle. According to the property of the rectangle, adjacent sides are unequal, therefore it will come under the rectangle. Therefore the rectangle area of the rectangle is given by length into breadth. So we can write as a length as A and breadth as B. So A into B, that is AB. So here area is equals to AB, which is the area of this rectangle IFCG. Whereas coming over to the third figure, that is nothing but the AHIE. Here in this case, EI is the adjacent to EA. Adjacent sides are unequal, one is A, the other is B, therefore it will come under the figure called the rectangle. So area of the rectangle is equals to here also the length into breadth. So here length is of B, length is of A and the breadth is of B. So here A into B is nothing but AB. So therefore area is equals to A into B in this case. Then now next figure is of fourth one, that is the fourth figure, which is nothing but, whereas in this figure, so here HB is of B units and adjacent BF is also of B units, and whereas these two adjacent sides are of each equals to B, therefore all the sides are equal, so it will come under the figure called the square. So area of the square is equals to side into side, whereas that equals to side is of B units, that is B into B, that is equals to B square. So in this manner we got area as B square. For the figure number 4, but area of the square ABCD is equals to area of the figure 1 plus figure 2 plus area of the figure 3 plus area of figure 4. So here area of square ABCD is equals to area of figure 1, that is square area of square EIGD plus area of figure 2, that is rectangle IFCG plus area of third figure is nothing but a rectangle AHIE plus area of fourth figure, that is a square. So here HB FI. Now area of the square ABCD is nothing but, so side is of A plus B, another side is of A plus B. So here since it is a square, all the sides will be of equal. So area of the square ABCD is equals to ABCD is equals to side into side. So here side is of, so side is of A plus B and the side is again A plus B, that is equals to A plus B is repeated repeatedly multiplied here 2 times. So A plus B's exponent will be 1 here, A plus B's exponent will be 1 here. Since bases are equal, we have to add up the exponents. A plus B into A plus B is equals to A plus B whole square. So this is the area of the square ABCD. Then now, so area of square ABCD equals to, that implies, so area of the square ABCD is equals to A plus B whole square is equals to area of square EIGD, that is the first figure. First figure area is of A square plus second figure area of the rectangle, second one I of GCG, second figure is of area AB plus area of the third figure AHIE, third figure area is of A into B, that is AB